Hi, my name is Zoe, and I go to SAR High School. I am making object recognition glasses for people who are visually impaired, and the reason why I chose to do this project is because through my experience of being a volunteer guide dog raiser for Guiding Eyes for the Blind, I have interacted with a lot of people who are visually impaired, and they struggle a lot to recognize or identify the objects that they interact with throughout their everyday lives. So I wanted to create glasses that could help them easily identify these objects. The way the glasses are going to work is through a Raspberry Pi and a Raspberry Pi camera. And so far, the object recognition part of it has been completed. And the way that I did this was I installed TensorFlow Lite onto the Raspberry Pi, and TensorFlow has a pre-made data set that you can use for image classification. And so once I installed that, I was able to get the image classification to work. And so sometimes it needs like a better background, but it says which percentage it thinks it most likely is in the corner. And then through that, I am planning on having it say it out loud in the glasses. Now, some problems that I ran into when making these glasses was that I struggled a lot to download TensorFlow Lite onto the Raspberry Pi because a lot of my versions of Python and OpenCV were not compatible with each other. And so I had to eventually degrade it so that they were all on the same version and that they were all compatible. And the problem actually wasn't with Python and OpenCV, it was with TensorFlow Lite, so I had to change a package within TensorFlow Lite. And then once I got all that working, I accidentally deleted my virtual environment that everything was in, so I had to redo the whole thing on a new virtual environment. But now it is working, which I'm very happy about. And in the future, I want to have it so that once it is on the glasses, it has a earpiece attached to it so that the text that it identifies can go through the earpiece so that the person who's wearing it can hear what they are in front of and can easily identify everything in their daily lives.